Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 10 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, in this video we'll show you the TWIN BUSCH truck lift. The TWIN BUSCH truck lift can lift up to 45 tons depending on the number of posts in the model. Controlling the lift from every single post is possible. The maximum lifting height is 160 centimeters. The system can be operated with either 4 or 6 posts. A 4-post system can be easily expanded to 6 posts later. Before lifting, the posts are moved and placed like pallet trucks. Let's take a look at the truck lift in action. A stable and level surface is important for the operation of the truck lift. Here we see the main post, on the front right, with 5 assistance posts. We place the main post by the middle wheel to keep the cable route short. The post is set down on the floor for operation. Then the rest of the posts follow symmetrically on both sides of the truck. The posts can be connected now. First we establish the power supply to a 400 volt 3-phase connection. Then all assistance posts are connected to the main post in an order of our choice. Generally, the main post has connections for 5 assistance posts. Due to the high power load during operation, all cables must always be rolled out completely. Once all posts are connected, the semi-truck can be lifted. Every post must now be set to all. The control of the lifting process can be carried out from any post. The lifting and lowering speed is about 1 centimeter per second, so it takes approximately 2 minutes and 40 seconds for a whole lifting process. The maximum lifting height is 1.6 meters and it allows good access to the underside. The lead screwdriver of the TWIN BUSCH truck lift has a safety nut besides the main load nut. In case of damages on the main nut, the safety nut grips automatically, and the system alarm is triggered. The lifting posts can be driven individually to readjust. So it is possible to set down the semi-truck on an axle stand, for example, to access a wheel which is blocked by a lifting post. Simply switch the desired post to single, and then lower the post individually. A complete semi-truck can be lifted that easily. There are optional adapters for wheels with a significantly smaller diameter. The adapters are simply slid on the grips of the wheel gripping system and secured with a bar. Smaller vans or campers can also be lifted in this way. When the work is done, simply loose the connections, roll the cables and move the posts aside.